Yeah.
Well, I'm not monetized.
I won't charge you
So.
if you.
Let's ask Cashew. Keep your tire on that side. There you go.
So there's a little bar fridge over there. Yeah, but they always drag that over there and throw a few of those in there. They're not going to get cold. I can't get that to work.
Oh, you filmed my stuff up at the den.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, now I remember. I'm like, I remember him.
Yeah, you're forward. I videoed it.
And you have me and my buddy, you're doing our
Yeah,
24s.
yeah, yeah.
It looked like the this stuff goes now. It was considering it diaphragm. So they go.
Big tires. ISO axles? No, I've had them for a while, just on other rigs, and
Oh yeah.
wife bought me this body. I'm like, what did you do that for? And it's just like, now I got something to build. I'm like, oh. I'm like, I'm not mad. Now I'm stuck. Got a winch? Right here for you. Thanks, bud.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I guess I should put it low. It's a monster truck.
Oh, making me nervous. Oh,
Good catch.
Doesn't like the all that weight in the back.
Some of us like the weight in the back.
이 정도 찍었으면 됐어.
먹고는 가야지.
Did you want to have it go? Sure. You can't wreck it. It's already broken.
Told me he's gonna get rid of some of those smokers so I can just my mind.
That's a hard one.
You filming cooking?
Sure, why not?
Fresh pair of these.